What's up, guys? We are in the Tabasco Museum. I feel like we have to be quiet because it's so quiet in here. But there are these
We
awesome,
were given four little mini Tabasco bottles
yeah,
when we
super cool.
bought the tickets for the tour,
Yeah.
and we're just kind of looking around in the museum right now.
All right, so we're gonna take you guys along with us. These giant bottles, they are life size.
So
We're just gonna walk around, guys. You guys have to make your way down to the Tabasco factory. They have the coolest gift shop I've ever seen. Even if you just go for the gift shop and don't pay for the tour, it's worth it. Not only that, but you can stop in Homa, you can stop in New Iberia, you could go up to Lafayette and have the best food you're going to have in Louisiana. I'd say better than New Orleans. This was a great trip. The Tabasco factory is worth the money, it's worth the drive. You will learn so much, and you will walk away happy and wishing that you had honestly probably spent the night close to Avery Island so you could do it all over again. As always, thanks for watching Maze on the Move. Like, subscribe, and click that bell for notifications.